Here he is.
Connor, take a look around you. You got a lot of champions, a lot of grizzled vets. Who do you think would give you the hardest fight out of anybody on stage?
Right here. Right here, the hardest hitting 145-pound, the real hardest hitting 145er, right here. This guy TKOs people. When I knock people out, they don't move. They're not. Who the is that guy? Who the is that? You know damn well who I am. Who the is that? Oh my God. I don't know. When I take that guy's belt, Leprechaun. Oh, good one. When I take that guy's belt, I'm looking around. I don't know what anyone else has for me around here. I might have to jump up and drag Floyd Mayweather out of bed and see what the he's at again. Does this mic work? Well then, that mic. On the count of 3, I want everyone in this arena to scream at the top of your lungs, the Mayweathers. 1, 2, 3. No. We can do better than that. When I count to 3, I want this entire arena to scream, the Mayweathers. 1, 2, 3, the Mayweathers. He won't do nothing. I have nothing against Edward. Oh, what? Careful. What you gonna do? Oh, what? You gonna do something over there? Be careful. Shut your mouth. I run New York. I run this whole. And Mystic Mac predicts I'm gonna KO you inside 1 round. He got it done by signing his last contract. He didn't even negotiate new money for himself. Imagine that. Look at everybody up here. They're all dressed like me. They're all trying to talk like me. They're all trying to be me. Everyone in the game wants this fight. This is the lottery fight. And this man took it on his last contract. Imagine that. Imagine getting the biggest fight in the history of the game and saying, shut your mouth, kid. You're getting paid what you got your last fight, and you're lucky you're even getting that. Yes, sir, and sign it. That's what happened.
You done yet? You done yet? Hey, I was okay with the money. I was gonna negotiate the money. Reason, because this guy's easy. It's easy money. Easy money.
I'm gonna wrap one on one shoulder. I'm gonna wrap the other on the other shoulder, and you're gonna need a army to come take them belts off me.
I just speak the truth. I don't talk trash. I speak the truth. I've spoken about Dustin's weirdly shaped head. He has a P-shaped head. His chin has certainly deteriorated. Every single contest he is in, he gets wobbled. You know, he does the chicken dance on a jab. I'll catch him with a jab, or maybe a gust of wind. I don't know. His chin is weak. A gust of wind could make him do the chicken dance.
Notorious Conor McGregor. $153. The notorious Conor McGregor weighs in at a ready 153 pounds. You ain't got on me. You little shit. Oh, huge strong dude. Know that. I'm gonna make you beg me to fight. Ladies and gentlemen, Mayweather versus McGregor. 12 rounds. 49. You look about 160 and all. You look thrown out.
Not by you, anyway, you little fool, whoever you are. Hello, everybody. Exactly. Tell that to shut his mouth. Carry yourself with class, mate. We are prepared for 12 3-minute rounds of non-stop pace, and I will go forward and I will put the pressure on him and break this old man. Trust me on that. We are more than ready. However, 8-ounce gloves. He made a big, big error, in my opinion. I don't see him lasting 2 rounds. I feel I will have the decision to end it inside 1. He told you to shut up. Good. I'm going to this boy up. Make no mistake. And when it's all said and done, you know what? I'm going to feel a little bit sad because you should have all kept your mouth shut. You should have left me over on that other game that I'm from, that more ruthless game where we bounce heads off the canvas and drill them into the floor. You should have left me where I was.
Question is for Eddie Alvarez. You've been mentioning that Conor McGregor is not a championship fighter. He only has 2 to 3 rounds. Yet in your professional career, you've only went to the 5th round twice and lost 1 of them. What the are you talking about? What are you talking about? That's the tip.
Hey, what's your question?
Yeah, he has a soon to tell
What's
you
your
everything
question?
comes with that. I love it. I love it.
My question was clearly, you've only been to the 5th round twice in your professional career and lost 1 of them. You're complaining that he has no gas.
His
no
question
engine.
is,
What the fuck
why
are
you talking?
about?
That's his question. Why the f they're talking? Say it like it is. You're blessed. You're blessed that I chose you. You're blessed that I chose to whoop your ass next.
First of all, give us your thoughts about having a last-minute opponent, being able to fight at 170, and Nate Diaz.
It's another day for me. One pulls out, another one steps in. I'm used to it. I was just giggling at his little soft body. I've never seen a skinny guy. How can a fat guy be so skinny at the same time? It amuses me, but I'm looking forward to go in there, put the martial arts back into the game. Weight should never be an issue. Champions should be able to go up and down and fight any challenge that comes before them. So I'm looking forward to go in tomorrow night fresh and put on a show for the fans because, you know, the fan support, I always step up for the fans.
You'll do nothing. You'll do nothing. Shut your mouth, you'll do nothing. You'll do nothing. Not one of you will do nothing. Get the out of here. Get the out of here. You.
That's all right. Hey, Connor, don't throw those. Connor. That's a wrap. Get him out of here.
While you were on your way here, Eddie said he was disappointed in the country of Ireland. What do you think about that?
I don't give a what Eddie says. Who gives a The Irish are back. We've taken back control of New York City. I run New York City. I'm a pimp, rocking Gucci. And without me, this whole ship sink.
Robert
You just had a 5-round battle with Nate Diaz in a short turnaround. Are you ready for this fight?
I'm fresh, ready to go. I look forward to it. I'm going to shut this man up. Trust me on that. We are 6 weeks out from the biggest fight in sporting history. And I'm 29 today. 29 years of age. 4 years ago, I want to speak to everyone in the crowd. 4 years ago, I fought in London at a place called the HMV Forum in front of about 500 people. 4 years ago. Now here I am, 6 weeks out, about to quadruple my net worth with one half a fight. I'm in shock every single day I wake up. Half a fight, let's get that right. I get to quadruple my net worth for half a fight. Sign me up. You mean no one's gonna kick, no one's gonna knee, no one's gonna elbow? And it's against this little brill ham. The pain of this man's hands in the cold is unbelievable. He's in with them little paws. Mate, you're 40. Get that phone out of your hand like a kid.
Conor
McGregor spoke with the media this week. Shockingly, he made headlines with what he had to say. He said he would move up to lightweight after this fight, and that each of you guys would happily give up the fight that you have right now to fight him because of the money and the attention that it would bring to you, that it would change your life. When he says that, how do you feel about those comments? Do you agree with his evaluation?
Yeah, right now my focus is on Cerrone, and so if you want to move up, I'm here. It's going to be easy money.
That wasn't the question, but ask yourself truthfully. If Dana rang you and said, you don't have to fight Cerrone, you can fight McGregor, even though Cerrone was still fit, would you take it? You're damn right you take it.
Of course, man. Easy
because
money. Of course you get easy money, man.
I can make you rich.
You, man.
I change your bum life. You fight me, it's a celebration.
Of course you can. I would beat you.
When you sign to fight me, it's a celebration. You ring back home. You ring your wife. Baby, we done it. We're rich, baby. Conor McGregor made us rich. Break out the red panties. We're rich, baby. So don't say you would not take that fight, because you would take that fight like everyone else up here would take the fight against me if it was offered, regardless of belts or any of that. I'm the money fight in the male at all weight divisions, so everybody else up here. It doesn't matter what weight divisions or anything, or even what belt is on the line, because really I should create my own belt, because I am in myself my own belt. It doesn't matter weight. It doesn't matter if it's a featherweight, the lightweight, the welterweight. It's the McGregor belt. So that's it. I'm fighting for my own belt.
Do you like breaking the rules?
Yeah, I do. I mean, I am the rule. I'm the only rule in this game, so it doesn't matter weight divisions. Nate said he was ready to fight at any time, but, well, he wasn't. He wasn't ready to fight at 155. He wasn't ready to fight at 160, 165. So we give him 170, so...
they go every other day.
I'm happy to go in and do it.
No weight up, no... I said 155 from the beginning.
You didn't take 155, though. You did not take 155.
I did too. Initially,
you didn't take 155, Nick.
Yes, I did.
But that's cool. Don't worry about it. Don't worry about it. Get comfortable. Get comfortable. 170. Get comfortable. 170, brother. Yeah, get comfortable. Give a about nothing. The only thing I give a about is the check, and my check is super heavy.
I don't give a about no belt. Fight ass whoopings all day.
Nate, in December, in your last fight, you were complaining about the big fights. You wanted the big fights. You even were drawing your face in the poster. How does it feel to be here now?
I don't. Hey, the UFC been trying to lowball me forever. I've been in these big ass shows for hell of years before this guy even existed. So it ain't no thing. I don't give a.
How's it feel to be a millionaire now? It's nice, right? I don't care about weight.
They're all on steroids.
The only weight I care about.
They're all on steroids.
The only weight I care about. Steroids? What are you talking about, steroids? Don't be putting my name in steroids. I'm majored against that. Don't put my name in the name of steroids, Nate. The only weight I give a about is the weight of them checks. And my checks are always super heavyweight. So I don't give a shit.
How big of a role do you think your pre-fight antics, your mind games play in your fights?
I'm just coming in and being me. I'm being real and saying what I feel, analyzing my opponent, analyzing everything about the whole game, and that's it. I'm not trying to play no games or nothing. There is no games in this. People always think it's a game or it's an act, but when we're in there face to face, it's no act and it's no game. So take out mental warfare, take out all that. I'm just simply the best fighter, and that's it. If you show up, you fight, you're in. Congratulations. You did it. You know, most people, when they get that red panty night on me, they ring home to their wife. Baby, we did it. Nate rings Nick. Baby, we did it. So I'm happy to give Nate the paycheck. I've said before, he's right. He has been around a long time. He has stepped up and fought. He does deserve that check. When they came back and said that the negotiations were taking place and it was stalling, I said, give him what he wants. Give him what he wants and let's get him in there. He beat Cowboy, so instantly Cowboy got destroyed by Dos Anjos, and Nate has a win over Cowboy, so that jumped him in ahead of that one, and then everyone else went running. So Nate, congratulations, you're rich now. I've spent a lot of time, Joe, slating everybody in the company. Backstage, I'm starting fights off everybody. I've ridiculed everyone on the roster. I just want to say from the bottom of my heart, I'd like to take this chance to apologize to absolutely nobody. The double champ does what the he wants. Have a seat. Let me raise this now. This is what I want to do. This is what I dreamed into reality. Oh, that looks good. That looks good. God bless.